Hi everyone, I'm Rajeshwari and I'm heading GRC within Skillmind. Yeah, so the governance, risk and compliance or GRC is a framework that helps organization align their strategies, process and technologies to ensure they achieve business objectives while managing risks and complying with regulations. And it also, helps in creating structural approach for decision making and integrating the risk management and compliances into the DNA of an organization, making it more resilient and agile. So think of GRC as an organizational compass that can keep company on the right path, helping it around or to avoid risk, embrace opportunities and meet obligations. So, GRC should be a CXO priority because it directly influences the organization's ability to thrive in today's competitive and regulatory environment. From protecting brand reputation to ensuring operational efficiencies, and GRC helps organizations in managing the risk proactively, minimizing disruptions and financial losses. Then, second part would be build trust with stakeholders, including investors, customers, and regulators. Then, achieve strategic goals by aligning risk with business objectives. So, AI-driven GRC platforms revolutionize the way organizations approach governance, risk, and compliance by predictive risks. AI can analyze vast amount of data to identify patterns and predict potential risks before they get materialized. And then, automating compliance tasks from like monitoring regulatory changes to mapping controls. AI reduces manual efforts and ensure accuracy. And then the third would be, providing actionable insights like advanced analytics helps leaders make data-driven decisions faster. And you can improve operational efficiencies by automating, streamlining the repetitive tasks, freeing up the resources to focus on strategic priorities. The ideal approach is to strike a balance between automation and human interventions in GRC tools. While automation enhances, efficiencies, accuracy, and scalability by handling, repetitive tasks like data collection, compliance tracking, and reporting. I would say human oversights remain, crucial for areas that require judgments and context and adaptability. Then automation excels in streamlining processes, monitoring regulatory changes, and providing data-driven insights through advanced analytics and AI. However, human intervention is indispensable for strategic decision making, where understanding of risk and organizational priority is required. Evaluating unique scenarios, I would say that automations might not fully understand or interpret correctly. So, ensuring ethical consideration is required and aligning actions with organizational value is needed. So the key is that to let automation handle the how of routine tasks while human focuses on the why behind strategic decisions. By combining the strengths of both, organizations can achieve smarter, more agile governance, risk, and compliance management. To wrap up, GRC is not just a framework but a strategic enabler, I would say, for organizational growth and resilience. By leveraging the right blend of technology and human expertise, businesses can navigate complexities, mitigate risk, and ensure compliance with confidence. So always remember that the key to successful GRC lies in staying proactive, adaptable, and aligned with your organizational goals. So thank you for tuning in, and let's continue to prioritize governance, risk, and compliance as a cornerstone of sustainable success.